Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po ninyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Carlos Yulo, hindi nakasali o kasama sa gagawaran ng President's Award sa January 27. Mahalaga pa rin ang humility at may respeto. Opo, ang dalawang boksingero sa Olympic na sina Nesty Petesio at Ira Villegas will receive special recognition at the 2024 San Miguel Corporation Philippine Sports Writers Association Awards Night on January 27 at the Manila Hotel. Both boxers, Petesio and Villegas, who won silver and bronze medals in the Paris Olympics, will be honored with the President's Award for their contributions to the Philippine historic Olympic performance, and their victories mark the country's best ever Olympic showing. Petesio, 32 years old, made history as the first Filipino boxer to win back-to-back Olympic medals, while Villegas, 29, celebrated her Olympic debut with a podium finish. And the event will also honor Yulo as Athlete of the Year alongside other major awardees and special recognitions for Olympians, Paralympians, and Hall of Fame inductees.
Olympic medalist Nesty Petesio and Ira Villegas will receive awards at the Philippine Sports Writers Association Awards Night to be held on January 27. Petesio and Villegas will be recognized with the prestigious PSA President's Award for their impressive performances during the 2024 Paris Olympics. In the latest edition of the Olympics, Nesty claimed a bronze medal in the women's 57-kilogram category, while silver medalist in the 2020 Tokyo Games. Meanwhile, first-time Olympian Villegas also made waves by winning bronze in the women's 50-kilogram weight class at the 2024 Summer Games.
Ang Pangulong BBM ay humahanga sa kampyong humble at marespeto tulad ni Sofronio Vasquez. Bilang kauna-unahang Pilipino at Asyanong nagkampiyon sa The Voice, kinilala sa buong mundo ang galing, ngunit marespeto at humble.
The other comment that when si Irene at saka we watched, nasa level ka na, you're so generous. Hindi ka nag-aagaw ng eksena. He's so generous. Pag kailangan mag-feel, nag-feel ka lang din. Pagka kailangan ikaw mag-solo, that was something, that's a real sign. It's all about the music, it's not about you. You're humble. It's not about making pasikat. It's about making the music sound good.
Well, speaking of pasikat, he wants to make pasikat a photo with you. That's his
Wow!
Kaya naman si Carlos Yulo ay nasasabihang lumaki na ang ulo sapagkat hanggang ngayon walang kababaan ng loob pagdating sa pamilya nito at ang kanyang ninang Goldie na bansag ngayong 2025 ng netizens ang siya pa ring masusunod sa buhay ni Carlos Yulo.